Hello everyone, welcome to our quick mathematics June paper 2 June um, 2024 exam question which we're looking at trigonometry two dimension. In the diagram below, a point A and R are on the same horizontal plane from a point A on the ground, and the angle of elevation is P and Q, and they have the following angle with 35 being the angle of elevation for Q and 60 being the angle of elevation for P. The distance between AR is 72 meters, and we have to calculate the height of QR first, then the length of PQ. So how do we do that? We have been given a diagram that looks like this, as you can see it, but we have to first extract. QR is a part of triangle QAR. So we first have to redraw triangle RA, which has angle 35 degrees, and then it has the length of 72 under AR. Now we have to check what combines the adjacent side with the opposite side. That's tan of an angle theta, which is equal to opposite over adjacent. With that, you can simply say tan of angle 35 degrees is equal to the opposite side, which is TR up QR over AR. And in substitution, you can just say this is tan 35 degrees is equal to QR over 72. Then you can simply divide this one by 1 and you can cross multiply such that QR is equals to a 72 multiplied by tan 35. And in our calculator we get, well, we have to round off to maybe 1 or 2 decimals. The question did not state, but it's best that you round off to 1 decimal, so it's a 50.4. Second one is asking us to calculate the value of PQ. Now you have this second diagram whereby the angle now is 60 and Q is still there, not QR but Q, and then P is here, and then R is here, and A is here. This is 72, and the new one that you just calculated is 50.4, and they want this side here. So our focus will be mainly on this one. Still using tan because we're in the opposite side in order to find this part of PR. So tan of the angle theta is given by the opposite over adjacent, and this will be tan of 60 degrees is equals to the opposite side being PR over AR. Well, tan of 60 degrees is equals to side PR over 72. And for us to calculate PR, we'll then have to divide this one by 1 and cross multiply such that PR is equals to 72 multiplied by a tan 60 degrees. And then we get the value of 124.7 in length. Now, PR is equals to PQ plus, is it PQ? Yes, it's PQ plus QR. And in this one, we're looking for PQ. So this means this is PR minus QR. Therefore, you have 124.7 minus a 50.4, which you first calculated, and you're getting something like a 74.3. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.